Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today I'm just going to quickly show you, if you haven't found a way to use those green tomatoes in a recipe that you like and you want to try and get them to ripen up, here are a couple of really easy tricks that I have used in the past or are currently literally using right now that I'm going to show you. So the first thing is to literally just, if you have just a couple, throw them in a windowsill. So this tomato that's sitting here came in kind of blushing. It was just starting. I threw it in the windowsill. It's been like 2 days and it is ripening up just quite awesome in there. Another option, if you only just have a couple or a couple of small ones, is these two guys actually ripened up right in a paper bag. So I just threw them in there and I crunched down the lid, let them sit there for a couple days on the counter, and again, they ripened up no problem. Now I'll take you and I'll show you a way to do a bigger amount of tomatoes all at the same time. So this option is just as easy. So you're going to take a box and you are going to throw your green tomatoes into the box. Now, to help move along the process of ripening, so these have been sitting in here for about, I'm going to say 4 days. They all went in completely green and they are now starting to blush. Now at this point I could actually take them right out and throw them in the windowsill if I wanted to, because that'll move things along quicker. In the box it does take a little bit longer in my experience. And also something you can do to help speed up the process is throw in either a couple of bananas or a couple of apples. So there are different gases in those fruits that will help ripen the tomatoes. So this is a super easy way. I just close the lid. You don't want, to my understanding, to put it in a dark and cool place. They actually thrive in the heat. So I just have mine kind of sitting in front of a window. So anyways, that's another super easy way if you have like a large quantity of tomatoes, because you can do as big of a box as you want. This one is just a smaller one because I only had a few tomatoes left. But yeah, so these are, like I said, super quick and easy tips to get those tomatoes colored as quickly as possible. So I hope you guys are enjoying what's left of your gardening season. We will talk to you soon. Bye.